Namaste everyone, I'm Author on Travel. I'm back again with an interesting and inspiring video. Hope you guys have watched my earlier video which was on International Women's Day, and yes, of course, you've guessed it right, this one is also on International Women's Day. We celebrate women in all sectors of our life. Women are really challenging, they're strong, they're beautiful, they're bold, and with the help of these, apart from all that International Men's Day and International Women's Day or Children's Day, every day is beautiful. I believe into that. But as we have this special mentions from the governing bodies, it's a day when a lot of issues have been catered about women, and there are a lot of people they're really working on the ground for that. This video is particularly a compilation of real women around me, and I have tried to cater as many as I could. So these are not strong women as in strong as in that great leaders or an astronaut or a senate or a parliament member, but these women are the real women who have been the part of the society for long, and this video is for all those women who are real and who work on the ground, their wife, their daughter, their mother, their sister, their friends, they play ample roles, as a man do. So coming to this, these women will be talking about the man in their lives, because they say women, so women, so that man in their lives, who have helped them shaping their future and their career or their life up till now. It's a beautiful video. Please don't skip it. Watch it till the end, and there's a little surprise element to this video as well. And do watch the earlier video as well on Women's Day, because it has a few lines from me. They're really inspiring. Yes, when I say inspiring, it's all about the strength of the women, how beautiful they are. One very important aspect of our lives is relationship, right? A woman, when marries a man, becomes a husband, and in a lot of life struggle and successes, career, and a lot of aspects of life, he plays the main role. Now, there's a thing about this relationship word. I really wanted to quote this before I start this video. I was thinking to actually say it on a public platform for long, and I mention all these aspects into my books in the forms of poems and proses. People are really liking it. Some have the critical point of view. My point of view is that why we define the relationships by name, by gender. Oh, if he is a boy, so he has to be a boyfriend. Or whenever we say I am into a relationship, why a relationship with a women only? I can be in a relationship with a girl, not being a transgender, not being a lesbian. I can be in a relationship. What is a relationship? Why we always consider. So if for example, if a married man is into a relationship, a strong proximity or a closeness with a female worker or a colleague or a friend, etc., why we consider always that, oh, is he having an affair? Oh no, please. What is it? Vice versa for the women as well. Why do we don't understand that the word relationship is not only physical, it's not only something to name for. No, a relationship is a bond between two people, which is unconditional, and they share some like-minded common things. They have a certain frequency which they love to talk to and cater to. I find it really absurd whomsoever is watching this video, I hope you're understanding what I'm trying to say. You cannot name and define the relationship into the boundaries of a gender or a relationship. Please consider that if I have a friend or if you have a friend, he or she is a friend. You are into a relationship, but that doesn't mean that the other person should be a wife, a husband, mother, father, sister, friend, brother. I mean, like, you name it. It's crazy. It's insane. A lot of mystic gurus and a lot of thinkers and philosophers have also mentioned this theory that a relationship is a bond between two people. We should not name it, but our society is crazy at times. So I hope you guys from next time won't define any relationship into these parameters, because it's a whole different aspect to the relationship. We can talk about in the next video. Maybe this video will gonna go really long and you're gonna leave me. Not wasting much of the time now, let's hit to the video and enjoy this video till the end.
Hey guys, I'm Chia and you know me as Digital Child Artist on YouTube, and coming up is Women's Day. So I would like to wish all the women in this world a happy Women's Day. This is a very big day for a woman, precisely. And yeah, it's it feels so proud to be a woman at times. Now over here, I'm not a woman, I'm a girl, but I would like to talk about two people in my life that has brought a change for me. A woman and a man. So the woman I would like to talk about is my mom. She has kept supporting me on every hard times on my life, and things that I wanted, she always brought me that. She had hold my tantrums for sure. And yeah, the best part with staying with my mom is traveling the whole world, literally. I get to learn so much more, and I have a lot of life left ahead, so I would like to travel with her more. And the man I would like to talk about is my father. He has always kept me strong, fierce, and not let me down on anything. And both of them had taught me not to give up on any single problems in my life. And he calls me as strong as a lion, just like my Lado, my Sher. And I would like to thank my mom that she's a single mother, and I'm so happy for her.
Hi, my name is Nikita Chaudhary and I am an HR. I wish you all a happy Women's Day. As we are celebrating Women's Day by thanking a man in our lives who always inspires us. So I want to thank my father through this video, as what I feel is much has been written and spoken about a mother and daughter relationship. Unfortunately, fathers who are present, supportive and involved don't always get the credit that they deserve. So I want to thank him for everything that he has done for me. I want to thank him that he had brought every single toy that I wanted when I was young. I hope I can return the favor through achieving every single goal that he always wanted me to. You are my biggest inspiration, Dad, and at the same time my critics also when it comes to fitness. But I love you.
Hi guys, my name is Charu Nima and I am working in the healthcare sector. I am taking care of almost 10 hospitals and 10 corporate sites. For me, my biggest life inspiration is my man, my love, Sanjeev. He has inspired me in so many ways. I mean, from where I will start, he has helped me in the situation where when I was in the severe anxiety attack, the time when even I cannot tell my parents what I am going through all. He has helped me to come out of that situation. He has helped me to groom myself. He is the one who inspired me how to survive in the corporate world, how to behave with the people of different mentality, how to respond with such a type of personalities, how to survive, how to work with the different culture, different atmosphere. So overall, he has inspired me in all possible manners. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Arpita and I'm from Mumbai. I'm a content writing professional. To name special men in my life, it would be unfair to name one. So I have four: my father, my two brothers, and my husband. My immediate family, father and brothers, because they have supported me in my life decisions. And when I say life decisions, it's really the crucial ones: choosing career and choosing my life partner. And they've supported me in my decision of marriage. And I have an interfaith marriage, so it was really a big deal, probably for the society, but not for my parents and my brothers, and I respect them for that. And my husband, of course, he has supported me in all my life decisions, be it carrying my life the way I want to, the work that I do, and moreover the person that I am. He has accepted me fully, so I'm really thankful for all the special men in my life. Thank you. Have a happy Women's Day.
Hi, I'm Erika Chandel. I'm a working professional and a mother of 3-year-old son. The man in my life who's the guiding force and big support is my husband. Without him, I cannot imagine how I would have handled my family, my profession, and everything all together. So he's one go-to person for me, whom I go to for everything, and the guidance I get and the help I get from him is unconditional. So without him, I couldn't have been successful so far. So I'm really thankful, and I'm blessed to have you in my life. Thank you so much for being in my life. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Pooja Mahajan and I'm a working professional. The man who's played a pivotal role in my life is none other than my best friend and soulmate Moneeth. Moneeth has taught me how to live life in the moment. He's responsible for molding me into a strong, sensitive and compassionate woman that I believe I am today. Moneeth, you're indeed my pillar of strength, and I cannot thank you enough for playing this vital role in my life. God bless you.
हाय, मैं सुशील गोयल। पहले टीचिंग जॉब में थी, बीच में छोड़ दिया था मैंने। उसके बाद अभी मेरी फिर इच्छा हुई कि मैं कुछ बच्चों को पढ़ाऊँ, कुछ गाइड करूँ, तो इसलिए मैं अभी स्कूल में पढ़ाने के लिए जा रही हूँ। मेरी लाइफ में जो मेन और वुमेन दोनों का रोल अदा किया है वो मेरी माँ है। मेरी माँ बिल्कुल भी पढ़ी हुई नहीं थी, लेकिन उन्होंने पढ़ाई का महत्व समझकर हमें बहुत मोटिवेट किया। कम पैसा होने के बाद भी उन्होंने हमें सबको पढ़ाया, दूसरे काम सिखाए कि लाइफ में यदि आपको कुछ भी मुश्किल हो, कुछ भी परेशानी हो, तो आप अपने और अपने परिवार की मदद कर सकें। उस माँ को वुमेन्स डे पे मैं शख्सियत नमन करती हूँ।
Coming to the man in my life, yes, it's a little tricky for me to answer, but I've recently given an interview, so the same thing I mentioned to them, and I'm gonna be mentioning the same thing out here. Of course, first of all, let me tell you, I'm a proud mom of an 11-year-old daughter, and she's heading towards teen now. If you want to check out my books, you can check out on Amazon, and I create artwork in the name of Mr. Piria Creations. It's also on the sale. Coming to the man in the life, I would like to really mention two men in my life. One is my father. He is my role model. He has been my role model, being the eldest in the family, teaching me everything from the scratch, leaving me to fight my own battle in the life, moving out, and like he never differentiated between a girl and the boy, like the boy. I used to play with guys, all sort of games which those like the street gully games and all I've played. So he's that kind of man. So he is always being the driving force in my life, the man who has actually made me real strong from within to face a lot of battles at a as a teenage, and taking my own decisions in life. That was the phase. And now post my depression era, and I've actually come back from the deathbed. The person is the godsend, and he's a friend for life, he's a companion. This man has shaped my life to whatever I am here. My success, my career, everything, my desires, my aims, my aspirations, my dreams to do something, even if it is craziest of the dream, so like I'm a solo traveler, so he's the one who is like, this is gonna happen, so if somebody gives you that ray of light that okay, this will happen and I am there no matter what, okay, so he's the godsend. I've got my godsend, and I hope that you guys will also get yours someday. So that's it. I hope you like this video a lot, and you would definitely take something back. I am really hopeful. If you do so, hit the like button. The more you like, the more you view it, YouTube will gonna flash it and show it to like the render people more and more and more and more. Do not forget to hit the notification bell button, because whenever I post something next, you know that I have posted it. Of course, please do not forget to subscribe, because I'm really working hard on making a lot of videos and I need your support. Definitely the videos are focused on learning in any form, because learning is everywhere. And if you want to make a video on some special topic, you want me to cater it, I'm ready to shoot it. And last but not the least, make everyone smile, be happy, be your own choice, and let the women be strong and lead the world ahead. Namaste from my side.